When it comes to energy use, we often think of ways to use less around the house. But what about the energy used outside our homes? In Turkiye, almost half of all the electricity used comes from the industrial sector, and about 70% of that comes from electric motor-driven systems, many of which are inefficient.
Some companies keep their motors mistakenly for more than 20 years, and they have old inefficient motor running. They think that their production process is going to be upset if they change their motor system, and it's actually completely incorrect. They can gain huge economic advantage by upgrading to the latest digital motor systems.
Turkey relies on burning imported coal and gas to generate electricity. However, these energy sources are not only getting more expensive, they are also harmful to the environment. 90% of businesses in Turkey are classified as small to medium-sized enterprises, known as SMEs. Smaller businesses find it harder to access loans to spend on things like investing in more energy-efficient motors. That's where projects like TEVMOT come in. The Turkish government has designed a program to replace inefficient industrial motors with new energy-efficient ones. Through this project, businesses in Turkey receive the education and financial support needed to facilitate this change.
TEVMOT projesi kapsamında fabrikamızda %10'a karşılık gelen 12 motoru değişim yaptık. Yüksek verimli motorlarla değişimi sağladık.
Textiles and wool have been produced in Uşak for more than 1,000 years. Berniyans is one of the many factories in Uşak that continue this tradition.
Yeni nesil enerji verimli motorları kullanarak bir işletme elektrik giderlerinde tasarruf sağlıyor birinci olarak. Arkasından bunun çevreye de bir katkısı var. Elektrik giderleri düştüğü için işletmenin karbon ayak izinde de bir düşüş söz konusu oluyor. Çevreye de bu şekilde bir katkısı oluyor.
As part of this TEVMOT pilot program, a total of 363 motors in 48 small and medium-sized enterprises have been replaced. Though the project is small, it's had a big effect. So far saving 1.5 gigawatt hours of energy and 685 tons of carbon dioxide. That's enough energy to provide electricity to approximately 100,000 households for a whole day.
Verimli motorlarla biz daha düşük fatura öderken aynı zamanda arıza yol açmadığı için daha kaliteli ürünler üretmeye başladık. Ve devir daha yüksek kapasitelere çıkabildik. Daha katma değeri olan ürünler üretmeye başladık. Çünkü bu sadece ekonomik bir getiri olmadı bizim için. Kaliteyi de, sürekliliği de, devamlılığı da getirdi.
Motor energy efficiency is crucial in creating a more sustainable and resilient energy future.
The number of motors in Turkey will double over the next 20 years. And if you don't put in place the proper energy efficiency policy, then you're going to have an awful lot of energy wastage. The sheer number of motors involved will also mean that Turkey will have to build new power plants just to cater for the inefficient motors.
Energy efficiency is an effective way to bring us closer to the world's climate goals. The TEVMOT project is an example of a way that governments can support small and medium-sized enterprises to become more energy efficient. Every fraction of a degree matters.